We are ANC Accounting has been the tax accounting professionals for many triad business owners and residents for many years. We are best known for our competent tax advice, fast, and accurate accounting practices, tax resolution services along with friendly personnel. We provide total financial services and tax resolution advice to individuals, large and small businesses and other agencies. Our mission ANC Accounting's mission is to advise clients on the effective use of their financial resources. When you come to us for your tax representation, tax liens, estate planning, payroll, cash flow management and more, our goal is to always make the complex more understandable. Our vision is that ANC Accounting Services will be locally recognized in the Piedmont Triad metropolitan area, which consists of the principal cities of Greensboro, High Point, and Winston-Salem as a professional accounting firm that provides outstanding tax service to our clients. We know we can obtain our goal due to our dedication to the three underlying principles of professionalism, responsiveness and quality. Professionalism, responsiveness, quality. Our business stands on these three principles of professionalism, responsiveness and quality. Our process: if you are looking for a high quality and personalized service, you've found the right tax resolution firm. The success of our CPA firm is specializing in representing payers before the IRS. No matter what you are facing, we work with a three-step process to ensure the best quality of service. Pull your transcripts and determine compliance needs. Get all compliance issues resolved. Set up a plan of resolution to solve your tax problem and request a stay on collections while negotiations are in process. Services: IRS audit representation. We provide two services for IRS audits. One is representation while an audit is being conducted and the other is for appealing a tax audit when a taxpayer disagrees with audit conclusions. Whichever tax audit services a client may need, we will only work audits that we believe will bring results that provide greater savings than our charges for tax relief. Non-filed tax returns. Unfiled tax returns are a serious offense in the eyes of the IRS and can lead to mounting debt as back taxes and fines pile up. The IRS will not stop the collections process until all unfiled tax returns have been filed and you have paid back all money due. If you continue to be non-compliant, the IRS will place a levy, hold, on your paycheck. Back taxes owed. This tax relief settlement is the least one that our firm uses. It allows the IRS to cease collections and to temporarily suspend a taxpayer's account and tax debt. Although we have put clients on this agreement, we believe this only delays the complete process of IRS regulations. Of course, if we determine this solution to be the best tax relief option, we will pursue this agreement. Payroll tax problems. Even though there are only three solutions to tax debt, we should mention payroll tax debt negotiations. Ultimately, this debt will fall under the three tax relief solutions, but getting to that point requires overcoming obstacles. Usually when a tax debt is due, the IRS will escalate the problem to where they assign a revenue officer to the case. These officers will want all of the business financials and they will dissect the records and produce a plan to pay the payroll tax debt. We offer this service so that taxpayers have their own experts on their side. We will take it from A to Z and ensure our clients are treated fairly throughout the process. IRS liens. When you discover that you have an IRS tax lien, it should be taken seriously. Federal tax liens can damage your credit and make it difficult to obtain new lines of credit. Because a notice of federal tax lien is a matter of public record, your creditors and anyone you know can learn about your problems. IRS levies. A levy is a legal seizure of your property to satisfy a tax debt. Levies are different from liens. A lien is a legal claim against property to secure payment of the tax debt, while a levy actually takes the property to satisfy the tax debt. IRS wage garnishment. The IRS can issue a wage garnishment in an attempt to collect on a tax debt that is owed. Some cases require more work than others, but a wage garnishment can be released in the same day, sometimes allowing for immediate tax relief. IRS seizures. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has full control to seize the property of a taxpayer who has failed, neglected, or refused to pay a tax debt. Legal seizure of a taxpayer's property or assets to satisfy a tax debt by the IRS is referred to as a levy. Offer in compromise. In short, the offer in compromise program allows a taxpayer to pay less tax than what is owed to the IRS. This program is essentially the ideal tax relief solution for all taxpayers, but only a few qualify. Rest assured that we never tell clients we can do an offer in compromise for them unless we know there is a good chance it will be accepted. IRS Installment Agreement. This installment agreement allows taxpayers taxpayers to pay the tax debt they owe in monthly payments. The taxpayer owes the entire tax debt but keeps the IRS from taking collection actions against them by paying monthly. By working with a tax professional like us, we can propose the lowest monthly payment the IRS will accept. We often get new clients who work with us just so that we can lower their monthly payments. In some cases, we have reduced monthly payments by hundreds of dollars. Tax planning strategies. You can find more tax planning strategies for small business owners on our site here. Some tax planning strategies are aimed at the owner's individual tax situation and some at the business itself. Regardless of how simple or how complex a tax strategy is, it will be based on structuring the strategy to accomplish one or more of these often overlapping goals: reducing the amount of taxable income, lowering your tax rate, controlling the time when the tax must be paid, claiming any available tax credits at A&C accounting in the triad. It is always easier to deal with the IRS when you are on the IRS's side of the fence, meaning you start the tax resolution process as soon as possible. Don't wait until you lose your paycheck or your bank account is empty. Call us for